Hey friend, this is Rajiv and you are watching GeekyByte. Welcome back to another episode from GeekyByte. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how we can show the visual editor in WordPress. I know there are many people who are facing this issue, and if you see in YouTube or in the internet, you may have got so many solutions, but for me nothing was working. So I have discovered a fix to this problem, and in this video I'm going to talk about that. So please watch the video till the end, and if you like the video then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Now let's get started. So friends, first of all let me go to WordPress admin panel, give my username and password and login. Let me tell you first that if you're using HTTP protocol, the solution is different, and if you're using HTTPS protocol, the solution is different. So as you can see, the visual editor is not showing here. So I'm going to show the fix for HTTP first. So there are a couple of solutions. You can try all the solutions. So first of all, you can go to user profile and you can uncheck that option for visual editor. The next would be installing a plugin, which is TinyMC Advanced. So I installed that plugin. And the third solution could be going to plugin and disable all the plugin and see if it is working or not. In general, if you're using HTTP protocol, out of these three solutions, at least one will work. Now in case nothing is working, in that case you have to see this solution. So you go there and remove the HTTPS and add HTTP. So here you go, like you are able to see the visual editor. So the problem is with the HTTPS protocol. If you're using HTTPS protocol and you're not able to see the editor, then remove the HTTPS and add HTTP. Now the case, like if you use Cloudflare, then you have to do some settings to get it work. So I logged into Cloudflare. You have to go to speed. Make sure you uncheck all this option. Then here you have to uncheck the always use HTTPS. Why I'm saying, because if you go to admin panel, always it will take HTTPS, which we don't want, because if we take HTTPS, then it will create the problem and visual editor won't be showing. So guys, that's a small fix for this problem. If you like the video and if you want to support this channel, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for all of our new videos. Thanks for watching.